The Florida Department of Health in Sarasota County is using the Everbridge platform for COVID-19 vaccine registration. Only frontline healthcare workers and those aged 65 and over will be contacted for an appointment. A valid ID is required to verify age and/or employment upon arrival for your vaccine appointment. If you need assistance while registering, please call 941-861-VAXES. That's 941-861-8297. If you have already received the first dose, please do not register. The Department of Health in Sarasota County will contact you to schedule your second dose. Let's start the online registration process by clicking Register. Enter your first and last name, then create a username. You may use any username you'd like, but you'll want to select something easy to remember, like your name or an email address. Next, create a password. It must be at least 12 characters in length and contain at least one uppercase letter, lowercase letter, number, and special character like an exclamation point or $sign. You'll also need to select a security question and provide an answer. This question will be asked in the event you forget your password. The next section is where you'll enter your location information. This will likely be your home address or the place you're currently staying. Once you've verified your location, you'll move on to the contact information section. This section is where you'll input how you'd like to be contacted when your vaccine appointment is available. You may enter your email address, mobile number where you receive texts, mobile number where you receive calls, or all three. Once complete, click Create Account. You'll now be taken to a page to review your account information. This is where you'll select your time zone, which is Eastern, and enter any additional contact numbers, like your home or business phone. Click Save and Continue, then review the address you entered earlier to make sure it's correct. You'll have the option to edit the address if needed before clicking Save and Continue. Now you'll enter some information about yourself, your date of birth, age, sex, race, and ethnicity. If you're under 65, you'll need to indicate that you are a frontline healthcare worker and provide your job title. Remember, only those aged 65 and over and frontline healthcare workers are eligible for vaccination at this time. Now you have the option to register a second person for vaccination, like a spouse, roommate, or friend you'll be driving. Remember, your appointments will be scheduled at the same time. Lastly, select what time of day you prefer your appointment be scheduled. Keep in mind you will not be issued an appointment at the end of the registration process. You will be contacted with a date and time based on vaccine availability and the order in which your registration was received. Upon clicking Save and Continue, you'll have the opportunity to review and edit your profile, as well as send yourself a test notification through the Everbridge system. The final step is to click Finish at the bottom of the page. You are now in queue for a COVID-19 vaccine appointment through the Florida Department of Health in Sarasota County. Appointments are scheduled based on vaccine availability and the date you signed up. You will receive a call, text, and/or email based on the contact information you provided. You will be asked to confirm an appointment date and time or decline if you're not available. Declining will not remove you from this system. Declining will put you back in the queue to receive future appointment notifications. When you are contacted, it will be from phone number 941-861-8297, email address dohcovid19vaccine@scgov.net, or text message ID 88911. For questions or assistance registering, please call the Vaccine Registration Support Call Center at 941-861-VAXES. That's 941-861-8297.